Hey y'all, we're back. Guess we'll probably throw this all in one video. Makes sense, but yeah, back at the shop. I was out yesterday, sick as a dog, but I'm good today. And we got the head gaskets. Whee! So we'll go ahead and get those on. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the block a little bit. See if I can find a brush around here. I got some degreaser and make it a little prettier, just, you know. And yeah, go ahead and clean that off, get the bolt out of the head, and slap things back together. Let's go. Alright, so while the block's over there soaking a little bit in the degreaser, I'm gonna come over here and pull this broken bolt out. Hopefully. Should work, but you know, shouldn't have broken first place, so life doesn't always go the way it's supposed to, right? So as luck would have it, I don't have a center punch here, so yeah, if I tried, I thought there was a dimple in it from the brake, which there's not. So if I try drilling it, the bit's just gonna walk all over the place and it's gonna cause some problems. All right, so yeah. I'm grossly underprepared for the work I'm doing. I also do not have my gasket scraper or spare razor blades for that matter, so I do have a little freaking like paint scraper thing though that we'll see if we can clean this gasket surface off with. Otherwise I'll have to go and grab some stuff, wasting time and fuel. But yeah, hopefully we can get these going, get these head gaskets on shortly. Otherwise it'll just take a little bit longer. So let's see what happens. Well. Another tool I don't have. An extension for my 1/2 inch. Alright, so had to run home, grab extensions and 1/2 inch. I also grabbed the center punch so we can address that broken bolt. But yeah, we're making progress, and we'll get back to work. Hey. Whoops. Alright, so there you go. We got the cams on the driver's side head. Sorry I didn't pause sooner and give more updates. But yeah, we got those on. The ARP head studs are on, if you can see those. Probably not, maybe a little bit. I definitely like the torque sequence of the ARPs better because they're the same as the EJs. And as I said previously, the reason I jacked these head gaskets up is because I mistorqued them, because I did them different than, or I did them the same as the EJs when they're slightly different by the factory head bolts. But yeah, it was just a simple 30, 60, 90 in the torque sequence. And then I went and looked for the torque spec for the cam caps here, but there wasn't one. It just said Titan in sequence. So as you can see in the video, I just kind of choked up on the ratchet there and snugged them down. I didn't really yank on them because, I mean, well, the current situation we have a bolt that's broken, so apparently I tightened that one too much. But yeah, now all we gotta do is throw the valve cover back on, coils on, and we're ready to flip over to the other side. Hey. Well, looks like I'm batting 100 here. Just went to go remount the bracket for the coils, and my little bolt here busted the head off as I was tightening it. So yeah, get to drill that out as well. Yay. Alright guys, so got the other head on. So now it's time to assemble the rest of it. First I'll redo the timing components here. Looks like I did get lucky here, as it appears I still have markings on the side of the belt. So I'll be able to line those up and get timing set the way it should be, which is pretty nifty. Happy about that. And then yeah, we'll grab the intake manifold after this and see if we can figure out where that vacuum leak was coming from. So that didn't take long. We are running into an issue with the driver's side camshaft not turning. So I'll have to go in there and see what's what. Hopefully I just have to take the valve cover off, and whatever I need to see, I'll see, and we'll be able to sort it out. But yeah, definitely not cool. But yeah, so I think the ARP head stud here is actually what's causing us issues. I think that's not clearancing, so I'm not sure what I'll do to try and remedy that. Maybe I'll loosen just that nut, try to see if I can give a couple more turns down into the block with the stud itself, and then tighten the nut back down, or grind it or file it or something. I don't know. I really don't want to deal with it while everything's together. Is my biggest issue. So either way it goes, I think that nut's coming loose. Might just pull this whole stud out, grind a few thou off the top. Didn't seem like I was catching too much, but definitely enough. Otherwise I'll continue to look in here and see what's not clearancing and go ahead and fix it. But yeah, that really upsets me that another bolt broke. I didn't even apply torque to it. I just wound it down with the power ratchet. But yeah, that will be it for this episode. But yeah, here we are, but here we won't stay. Thanks everybody for watching. If you could, please subscribe, like, tell your friends. Maybe by now I've learned how to put things where, links and whatnot. I think it's right on YouTube when you upload the video. I can't remember though, but yeah, I'll try to link that in the screen here somewhere. You'll see it. Yeah,